Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our social online class, children. And today we are going to learn still few hard words because we all have finished our lesson. In that, what was there? One about caring for the special people was there. From that, I have given some hard words that you have to learn and practice, children. And from my family and I, you have finished the hard words. From here, that as you know, children, I have taught you this also caring for the special people. Caring for the special people. Why you have to care for the special people? Because they don't have eyes, okay, and some they can't walk, okay. If they are unknown person also, you have to, if they are crossing the road, okay, and they are unable to cross the road, that time you have to help them. Not only your knowing one, whom you know very well, not only caring for that people, even though if you don't know the people and they are in the trouble, they have from the god gift, they can't see, they can't walk, they can't hear, for like that people also you have to care, children, okay, children. So in this chapter only, in the that caring for the special people, like your grandparents, I told you, no, you have to spend more time with your grandparents. You should help them in the, if you will play with them, you will give a more time with for your grandparents, and you're knowing who likes the people much. For this, I have, in this only I have taken few hard words. So let's we start reading. Here I have written here, first people, then medicine, then entertain, then known, then celebrate, then festival, and then picnics, parties, and what here they invite, okay, children. So these all meaning, but people who are children, people will call people that me, I, or other here, others, we can say the people, group of people, we can say. So the spelling is People, people. What will say, children? People, people. Okay. Once again I am repeating, People, people. Okay. Now next is medicine. Medicine, children, you know all very well. When you are getting sick, you are getting ill, that time you have to take medicines, okay. So for that I have written here medicines, 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 medic. How easily we can read here, medi, cines, medicines, okay, children. Once again I am going to repeat here, medicines, medicines, okay. Now entertain. Entertain means entertain means entertaining everyone. If you are going somewhere in the party, in the going for to enjoy for the picnic, that time what you will be you will be entertained with you will be with your friends, and with parents you are going to somewhere else, that time also you are going to entertain. So that we will call entertain, entertained, entertain. Once again I will repeat, children, entertained, entertain. Once again, entertained, entertain, okay, children. Now known. Known means the known person, whom you know, known. So here we will write here known, 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 knowing person, we can say known, okay. Now celebrate. If you are celebrating, celebrate, you know everyone, you are going to celebrate birthday party or other functions, so that you have one type of happiness. So we'll say, oh, let's we celebrate. For that we will use celebration. So we can, I have written here celebrate, 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 celebrate. Okay children, festival. Now you know the festival. What is the festival meaning? Festival like Deepavali, Holi, many type of festival you will get. For that we will say festival. Festivals. 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 Okay children. Now here I have given picnic. What children? Picnic. Picnics. Picnics. Picnic. Picnic means you are going to enjoy. Picnic you are going to children for 1 day picnic or 2 days picnic, where you go and you will leave your all tensions and you will enjoy with your family, with your friends. That we will call picnic. You will go further some new places and there will you will spend your whole day. That you are going to call picnics. So you have picnics I have written here. So once again I'll read Picnics. Picnics. Okay, here now I have written parties. Parties is little bit different children. When you are going to party, that like birthday party you are going. Okay, after the this one many reception parties. So where we'll enjoy the lot, for that we call party. Parties. Parties I have written, or otherwise we can say party also. Party party, but I have written here parties. 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 Okay children. Now invite. What children? Invite. 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 Sorry. Invite. 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 Invite means what children? When you are doing some function or anything, so that time you are going to invite the some people. Without inviting no one will come, so we have to invite them, then only they will come and attend our function. So for that we call inviting. So here I have written invite, spelling invite. Invite. Okay, so this way you have to learn the spelling. Even though this hard words, you have to write each hard word three times in your notebook. Thank you children. I hope you all will be do good. Thank you children.